Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome. My name is Maureen and I am so happy to have you here. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and leave me a comment. If you have not yet subscribed, please subscribe before you leave. And let's get right into today's video. And today's video is a VoxBox from Influenster. And Influenster is a app that you can use. I use mainly on my phone. I know I have it on my laptop, so you can use it on your computer also. There are some features in the Influencer program that you have to use a phone, which is okay. I mainly use it on my phone. So Influencer is your ultimate shopping companion. Discover reviews from real people like you and I, exclusive deals, helpful Q&A, and your new favorite products. And they have over 28 million honest product reviews, over 6.5 million helpful questions and answers, and over 4.5 million members. And I have been a member with Influencer, probably for about a year or less. You can browse reviews and deals on the website. You can ask the community for help if you are trying to find something, want to know how it worked for other people, or just a general question. And I've done that with just in general. And part of the Influencer app, you get to test free products. And those free products you get in a VoxBox. And this is a VoxBox right here that I have. And this is my first one that I've ever received. And I am thrilled that I finally got one. And it says, we ship out thousands of exclusive VoxBoxes every month from brands you know and love, or soon will love, for free. And you go on their app and you can learn how you can take part in getting a VoxBox. So this box is from the products inside, and the box is from Influencer, but it's the products are LorealParis. And you open your box, and there's a card inside, and they are two of the products that I received in the box. And then this is the third product, and these are full-size products that I received from Influencer for free to use, to try to use, and to post a review on the Influencer site. And I think it might go to another site also. I'm not 100%. I have to read a little bit more on that. I already tried one of the products because I just couldn't wait. This did come yesterday, by the way. So this is the LorealParis Depuffing Roller Balls. And this is the Age Perfect Hydra Nutrition Honey Eye Gel. This is for mature, very dry skin, nurturing oils and manuka honey. I probably everybody could use this if you have any under eye issues whatsoever. So that is the box, and the packaging is stunning. So this is the packaging. So that is a full-size product, and I will open the product so you can see. So the wand, which now has the eye gel on it, has 3 roller balls, and you just swipe under your eye with the 3 balls, and that dispenses the product. And I tried this the last 2 nights, or last night because it came yesterday, and I will be trying it tonight. I only do this stuff in the evening, but it felt great putting it on. It was not a super thin serum. It's not so thick and goopy, but it's just the right consistency. Swiped under my eye. I just lightly patted it in certain areas to spread it a little, maybe a little bit further. But it absorbed nicely. And from one use, it's kind of hard to tell. I can't give a review just from one use. So I will continue to try that. I am a huge fan of Loreal regardless. Loreal is an all-inclusive brand. I mean, they sell anything beauty, hair care, hair color, skin care, makeup, self-tanners, scrubs for your face and toners, makeup removers, and all kinds of stuff if you go on their website. It's just L'Oreal has been a brand that has been around for a long time, and I am a big believer in L'Oreal. I have purchased many of their products over my lifetime. And the second product I received is a day cream, and it's the Age Perfect Hydra Nutrition. This is nourishing moisture, firm and improved elasticity. There's nurturing oils and manuka honey. And all this is for mature, very dry skin. But like I said, I think, anybody could use this product. Skincare, in my opinion, is ageless. You can never start too young, and you are never too late to start using it either. So this is what the product looks like. It's beautiful packaging, beautiful presentation. Open it up, and it is a full pot. No massive air pockets where you're getting half of the product. I have not tried this yet, but it is, I'll put some on my finger here. Put this down. I mean, it is a little thicker of a cream, not, too thick, but you put it on, and that is was this the day cream? Yes, this is a day cream, and I don't generally use a day cream. I just use the same cream that I use at night, which I will start using this, but that feels so nice on your skin. Has a nice, little bit of a fragrance to it. If that's not something you like, then, this might not be for you, but it is a very nice smelling cream, and I don't have a problem with that whatsoever. And then the third product, which I received, which is also, all of these are full-size products. And this is the LorealParis Night Balm, the Age Perfect Hydra Nutrition Ultra Nourishing Moisturizer, Comfort Plus, Improve Resilience, Nurturing Oils and Manuka Honey. And this is obviously, again, for mature, very dry skin. But once again, I think anybody and everybody could use this. And it's not just for women. I think men could benefit from all of these products also. Skin is skin. I don't think it's age defined. And this has the other one was stuck in the top. There was a cover on the day cream also. Just turn that over on my desk. And that was in the top of the lid because I did open it to smell it. So once again, a full pot. That pet peeve of mine is to get a product and there's a big air pocket, and once again, this is a little of a thicker cream, which, you're going to want. And this goes on nice and smooth. And now here I had the day cream over here, and that is feeling nice and smooth and silky. Let's smell this one. And that has pretty much the same scent. It's very light, nothing that you would get a headache from or that would be bothersome to anyone, I think. But like I said, if you are, sensitive to fragrance or just don't want fragrance in your product, then these might not be for you. But I think if that doesn't bother you, these would be perfect products for any and all. So let me just close this box up here. Move that to the side. So I received the LorealParis Night Balm. I've received this other product from L'Oreal, and this is the Day Cream. And I also received the Honey Eye Gel. So once again, this box is from Influenster with L'Oreal products for me to test, use, and then to review, which I will be doing. I will use them for, at least a week before I post any reviews so that they can be honest reviews. And I did receive these products free from Influenster from using the app. And this is what they call a VoxBox. So check out Influenster.com, and you can see on the screen, that's Influencer right there.com, and download the app on your phone and start using it, start reviewing products. You attach all your social media to it so that your impact is greater. If you, your Instagram, your Twitter, if you use Snapchat, if you use there's tons of things to include on Influencer. I have a blog, so you can put a widget on your blog and you get, credit for doing that. And, impact score, I think, does play a little bit into, you know, if you get VoxBoxes from Influenster, but I don't think that is, you know, any major criteria. I know people that have a low impact score don't have that many followers between Instagram and YouTube and Facebook and Twitter and all those that still get VoxBoxes. It's just a matter of if you were a match, your profile and everything that you review and so forth on the app, if you're a match for the brand, and then the brand chooses to send you the VoxBox. So I will use these products in conjunction with some other products. I mean, obviously this is not enough for my nighttime skincare routine, but I will include them in my skincare routine. And I don't have any kind of eye gel at the moment, so I will use that every single evening. And I will post a review probably in a week or two and let you know what I think of these products. I just wanted to give you pricing real fast because I am all about skincare and hair care and any kind of beauty products, you know, makeup and stuff on a budget. You know, I don't have an endless budget and don't want to be spending, you know, hundreds of dollars on skincare and then not like it or it doesn't do what it says it's going to do. So I am all about beauty on a budget. So the eye gel I found on multiple sites, Walmart, Target, Amazon, Walgreens, Kohl's, and Ulta. And these are all the .com sites. And it averages out to about $24.99 for the eye gel. And I did the same thing for the night balm and the day cream and still use the same sites for reference. Walmart, Target, Amazon, Walgreens, Kohl's, and then Ulta. And the prices for both the night cream and the day cream averaged out to be about $19.99 each, which is extremely affordable and something that I would be able to financially be able to repurchase in the future when these products are empty. There's nothing worse than getting a sample or getting a product sent to you and it costs $100 or it costs $85. That is not in my budget to replace. I mean, I will still use the product and test it and review it, but it's just not in my budget to make the repurchase, which is sad because if you fall in love with the product and you can't afford to buy it, you know, kind of hurts your heart there a little bit. But what I like about Loreal is that their makeup, their skincare, their hair care, all of their products inclusively are extremely affordable and they are good products. Loreal still would not be around if they did not make good products, and they have been around for a long, long time and will continue to be around for a long time in the future. So that is my video for today, and this is from Influenster, and I received these products for free to test, to use, and to review. And that's my video for today. Thank you. Bye.